Make me laugh. The noises. What approaches do teachers use in their classrooms? Maths Mastery Classroom is a classroom where the teacher will instruct the class all together. There'll be lots of work based in fluency, which is the children's understanding of a concept. They will work together with the teacher, following normally a my turn, your turn approach. The children all receive the same high quality teaching using practical manipulatives so they understand their maths. These could be a range of different things based on the objective for the lesson. And it moves from the fluency, where the children are understanding, to a reasoning style, where the children have to apply what they know, what they understand from the lesson that they've just done and their previous lessons. What advantages are there to a maths mastery approach in the classroom? The advantages are plain to see. Each child is receiving high quality instruction from a qualified teacher. This means that they're not receiving instructions in little parts. All of the children are working together, which benefits them all. So the children who excel at maths are able to support the other students, they're able to answer questions together, and the children who do require that extra support are receiving the same instruction, and every single child in that lesson will make progress at the same rate. By using the manipulatives in the lessons, children gain a much deeper understanding of what they're being taught, and they're able to apply it to their own understanding level and access the work being set by the teacher. What does a normal maths mastery lesson look like? A maths mastery lesson will contain many parts. It generally starts with a recap of previously taught concepts, and then the children and the teacher will move to their objective for the day. As I've mentioned before, it starts in fluency, where the children are practicing the skill, they're talking to their peers, and then we move towards a more reasoning style. In a maths mastery lesson, there is lots and lots of talk, because the talk that the children are engaging in is going to deepen their understanding, they're going to acquire new specific mathematical vocabulary, and they're going to be able to apply that understanding to their work and to subsequent lessons. What are manipulatives? Manipulatives are used daily in a maths mastery classroom. Manipulatives are physical resources that the children can manipulate based on their understanding and based on the teacher's instruction. They are able to physically move them. They are concrete items. These could be place value counters, place value grids, Dean's blocks, or a range of other things. The children start by physically moving them to gain an understanding, and then this would normally move towards a pictorial or a picture representation, finally ending in an abstract representation when the children have fully understood the objective and the concept that's been taught. What progress do children make in a maths mastery classroom? Being in Kazakhstan, we're aware that English as an additional language is prevalent for most children who we teach. So maths mastery classrooms are based on vocabulary, based on understanding and physically moving their maths around. The slight changes in concepts have meant that all of the children at Haileybury have made progress generally that is better than the expected rate. By talking to their peers, by having class instruction from their teacher, everybody receives the same high quality instruction, and everybody is able to move through their maths at a similar rate. Because we have focused on the reasoning elements of the maths curriculum, it means that the children's understanding is not a surface level understanding, it is much, much deeper. The terms we use at school are depth and breadth. We want the children to have as secure understanding in as many objectives as possible, and they will be revisited year on year as the children go through the junior school.